In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Murder Mystery 2 items not adding to trade. Intro. Now, first things first, make sure that the item that you're trying to add is actually tradable and still appears in your Murder Mystery 2 inventory. And then essentially you need to close the trade menu and then send a new trade request to the other player. If the item still won't add, you need to leave your current server and join a different Murder Mystery 2 server, and this can fix a trade window that isn't syncing correctly. Then just completely close Roblox, reopen it, and try that trade again. And you should also make sure that Roblox is fully updated through the App Store, the Google Play Store, the Microsoft Store, or whatever console you're on's store as well. If only one specific item refuses to add while your other items work normally, that item may be temporarily restricted from trading, so just keep that in mind. And if no items can be added after restarting and switching servers, it is most likely a temporary Murder Mystery 2 trading issue, so just try again later. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.